Meaning of lookalike.
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 Lookalike. Lookalike means someone or something that resembles or looks similar to another person or thing. It is often used to describe people who have a similar physical appearance to someone else, or objects that resemble other objects. For example, a lookalike can be an impersonator, a celebrity doppelganger, or a product that closely resembles another popular product. In data analysis and marketing, lookalike can refer to a target audience that shares similar characteristics with an existing customer base, and can be targeted with similar marketing strategies.